Homecoming is a cherished event in many cultures, often steeped in tradition and rich symbolism. These celebrations mark the return of individuals to their roots, whether it be after a long journey or significant life events. They serve as a reminder of familial bonds, community ties, and the importance of heritage. Each culture possesses unique customs that elevate the significance of homecoming, giving every gathering a distinct flavor. In many African cultures, homecoming celebrations are vibrant expressions of unity and rejoicing. Colorful attire, traditional dances, and communal feasts create an atmosphere of love and respect. These events often include a ceremony where the honored individual is acknowledged and blessed by elders, signifying the community's recognition of their journey and accomplishments. The laughter, music, and shared stories resonate within the hearts of attendees, reclaiming a sense of identity and belonging. In Asian cultures, homecoming symbolizes reconnection with the family unit. Festivals such as the Chinese New Year see family members returning to their ancestral homes, bringing offerings to honor those who have passed away. The fusion of aromas from traditional dishes fills the air, as aromas wafting from simmering pots evoke nostalgia. Rituals conducted during these occasions reinforce familial bonds and encourage gratitude for one another. Families gather around the dining table, sharing not just food but also stories and laughter that weave a rich tapestry of memories. In Western cultures, particularly in the United States, homecoming often centers around celebrations in academic settings, symbolizing a rite of passage for students returning to their alma mater. Parades, dance events, and sporting activities foster a spirited environment where the past is celebrated and friendships rekindled. These vibrant rituals encourage participants, regardless of how much time has passed, to relive their shared experiences and reflect on their growth since their departure. These diverse homecoming practices reflect the essence of humanity, capturing our innate desire for connection and belonging. Regardless of cultural background, they highlight the importance of shared history, community support, and love. Homecoming is not merely about returning physically. It symbolizes returning to one's roots, a deep reconnecting with personal and cultural identities. Embracing these traditions fosters appreciation for the unique nuances that make our world beautifully diverse. Each celebration tells a story, reminding us that the essence of home lies not in a location, but in the relationships we cherish.